Hello viewers, and today I have another technical video about some considerations in storing coins. And here we have that Nepal 10 paisa coin from 1971 FAO. And now that I've got it in a coin flip, how am I going to store it from there? And I'm going to give you two options to store things of many that are out there. So once you have it in a coin flip, you can always put it in an album or book using protective sheets. These kind of work the same way that baseball cards do when you collect them. If it would cooperate with me. And you just slide it in there. Now these, with the 2x2 coin flips and these protective sheets, you can fit 20 different coins that are in coin flips in each sheet. And you can put multiple sheets in a binder or an album. So that's one method where you can store your coins. Now another method is they make 2x2 coin flip boxes in various colors that you can get on Amazon. Come with a lid. And you can simply store them in a box. So that's another method that you can store them. So, I hope this has given you a couple of ways in which you can store your coins once you put them in coin flips. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.